So I've been trying to think of a way to explain volume without my interactive whiteboard, without having any resources, and it's not easy. So I'm just gonna go for it. Just gonna go for it. As you can see, I was trying to draw 3D shapes on the board here, but it wasn't working, and I gave up. So here's the first slide that you're going to see about volume. Well, first of all, what is volume? Volume is the amount of space within a container. It's different from capacity because capacity is what we'd measure with millilitres, how much liquid can fit into a container. What we do with volume is how many cubed centimetres. You know those little centimetre things we use for base 10, units. Little ones of those. How many of those that are a centimetre by centimetre by centimetre can you fit into a container? Say you had a container that could fit 20 little centimetre cube squares in, it would be 20 centimetres cubed. With me so far? So for example, here's a big container here, big plant pot. I would say, even just looking at it, it's probably about 10 centimetres across, 3 centimetres up, and about 30 across. So it would be 10 times 30 times 3. We're not worrying about that today. We're actually just going to be looking at shapes and working out how many centimetres cubed they would be. So here is the first slide. Now this is very hard for me to do, but if we look at this first one here, you see, well there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cubes. So that would be 6 centimetres cubed. Oh, I've lost it again. Now, if we want to be trickier, look at this one here. Now, we can actually only see on that one 14. But how many cubes do you think are actually in that shape? Yeah, I'm with you. I would say 18 because look, the front row is 3, 6, 9 cubes. And if you look behind, it looks like the exact same amount is there again. So 2 9s are 18. Now it gets trickier. Let's go on to this blue one here. Now, obviously, there are some we can't see. So what you've got to have a think about is what ones can we see, what ones can't we see. So I would say, let's count how many we can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But I would say behind these 3 here, there's going to be 3 more cubes supporting the structure. So we'll add them onto our total. Now that was a fairly poor and fairly brief description of volume. See how you get on with it. Send me an email if it's not going well. And when we get back to school, I will recap it because it is so much easier to explain when I've got you in front of me. I've got all of my slides. I've got some equipment. I've actually got centimetre square cubes to demonstrate this with. So do your best today. See how you get on. I'm super proud of you, whatever you come up with. Take care. Bye-bye.